I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Go Carbon by Pride Mobility, so stay tuned. When you get your Go Carbon, it's going to come in a box just like this, shipped either UPS or FedEx. Should be pretty easy to unbox. We're going to start by getting a knife and cutting these two straps. Remember to cut upward and not down into your box, potentially cutting your product. Now we can open the lid of the box. There's a little bit of foam up top. Now once that foam is out, you can see the unit is sitting pretty much fully assembled in the box like this. There's a couple of ways you can do this. One is you can try and pull it out by yourself or with someone else. The second thing you can do is you can cut the corners of the box very carefully, making sure you're not cutting into the product. Or probably the easiest is tilting the box down and trying to slide it out. And it's kind of sliding out on that piece of foam right there, so it's not dragging the ground. Try not to drag it on the ground. But that looks like everything except the owner's manual and your keys in the box here. So this thing doesn't weigh very much, about 39 pounds, I believe. So I'll just put this out. There's nothing in here. This box is going to be your charger. So now I'm going to take a moment, clean up some of this stuff, and then we will get to unfolding the scooter. I've got all the packing material away. Here's the scooter. It's pretty much fully assembled, ready to go. First thing I'm going to do is take this, this is your cushion. I'm going to take that, set it to the side. But then to unfold it, there is a red latch right here. I'm going to push that down and then kind of push the front of the scooter forward. There it goes. Now there's a handle here. You want to make sure that it's pointing upwards. See that? If you sit it here, it's going to get trapped in the mechanism. So push that forward. But the scooter basically goes down pretty simply. You hear it latches shut. You pull this back. Here's your scooter. Then our seat cushion just velcros right here. And now we are in freewheel currently. In order to take this out of freewheel, so freewheel is where you can push the scooter. It will not drive in this position. It will most likely beep at you and not let you drive until you cycle the power. To take it out of freewheel, there's a red lever on the right hand side in the back. We're going to push that down into the lock position so I can no longer push the scooter around, but now it is in the driving position. You can bring your tiller up by opening this latch, and this will come up. It does not adjust in angle at all. It is at this angle. And now we're going to get to turning the power on. Before we turn the power on with the ignition, there's a stopper underneath the battery that we got to take out. So we're going to take the battery out first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come from underneath, push this button in, and the battery lifts up, comes out. Once the battery is out, there's a little isolator tab. It looks like this. A little tiny piece of plastic on one of the pins. We're going to pull that off. And then we're going to put our battery back in. To get the battery back in, you're going to kind of push it sort of near the back, like that. Then you want to push the button in and push down, it'll snap. So pretty easy. The charging port is also right here. Now I'm going to show you how to use a little key fob. First, we're going to turn the power on. You're going to notice that it's locked and will not drive. We have to hold this to the right side of the screen. It'll unlock. And now you can drive your scooter. Once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Go Carbon by Pride Mobility. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always give us a call, or if you want to purchase one of these or know their pricing, we have a link in the description below. Remember, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.